Hello, Yuba-Sutter community. Today is Wednesday, August 12th, 2020. I want to talk to you about our case counts. Unfortunately, we're going in the wrong direction. So last week I mentioned that for Sutter it was 286, for Yuba was 288 new cases per 100,000 in the past 14 days. We just did our weekly metric calculation again, and Sutter is around 315 and Yuba is 338 new cases per 100,000 in the past 14 days. We are not going in the right direction. It's not up to me. It's not up to our public health staff. It's really up to each of you to make sure that you avoid all those social gatherings, that you adhere to those tenets that we keep saying over and over. Social distancing, wearing masks when you cannot maintain social distancing, and being very, very vigilant about the presence of any symptoms concerning for COVID-19. And if you do have it, to immediately isolate yourself at home. There is some good news though, in the sense that we have confirmation directly from the California Testing Task Force staff and also from OptumServe staff that their lab turnaround time has improved dramatically. So now most of the time you can get an appointment within the same day or the next day, and that the lab turnaround time for the results is around 3 to 5 days. So as you know, it used to be even up to 7 to 10 days, but now it's been significantly shortened. So if you have symptoms, immediately isolate yourself at home and go and get tested. A decision to test is a decision to isolate, meaning that you should not be walking around if you went and got a test. If you have been worried enough to get a COVID-19 test, then you should take personal responsibility to isolate at home, stay in a separate bedroom and bathroom. Do not share meals with your household members, and wear a facial covering if you have to interact with your household members. Those are the best ways so that you do not inadvertently infect your household members. So I really want to also note that the data glitch has been fixed over the past weekend, and we did see a trickle in of some quote-unquote old cases due to the data glitch, but as expected, it was not a significant contribution to our case count. We had about 20% or around 12 for Sunday, around 13 for Monday, and just about 5 for Tuesday due to the data glitch. This is what we actually knew all along, that we have such a robust reporting mechanism from our lone hospital Adventist right out from our medical clinics and medical providers, so we don't have to rely solely on the EOR to CalReady system for that. So please keep those things that I have emphasized in mind and isolate right after you go and get tested. That is the best way that you can protect yourself and also to protect your household, your loved ones, and our community. We need to all act together to bring down our case counts, because if not, it will not be safe enough for us to resume our businesses and to resume in-person schooling. Thank you.